Busy Tuesday morning for us. First, it's a little bit before 7 o'clock. I dropped the garbage off in town at our garbage dumpsters. Now I'm headed out to the golf course, play a couple holes. I'll be done with that by 8 o'clock. Then I'll be on the tractor this morning. We had 2 inches of rain come down and just deluge yesterday. So the apartment building we used to own, the person asked me if I would come over with the 1025R and box blade and level out some of the gullies that got washed in. So we're going to take care of that. We got a couple other things that need to get done today. It's going to be a busy day all in all. So first of all, we're going to go have some fun. Oh, I got some pallets I can grab too later on this morning. So first of all, we're going to have some fun out at the golf course. Hit that like and subscribe button.